are doing the beauty boxes for March. I apologize for not doing January and February. I thought I had recorded them for January, and when I went to edit, I did not have it. I already started using the product, so it was kind of a delayed reaction. And then last month, my box was, for one of the companies, was supposed to be delivered, and the USPS said it was delivered, and I had to file a claim twice before it actually magically showed up at my front door. And by then, March had already begun, and I didn't really see a point in doing it at that point. So I will have the prices of these boxes listed on the screen. The links are always provided in the description. I will have the prices of the full-size products listed on the screen as well. Only one box does not have all full size, but I will have their full-size price listed, but I'll let you know if I'm showing you a sample or full size. So, first box, Allure. Now, I am disappointed that I didn't get to show you last month's, because they actually sent us a full size of YSL lipstick, which I thought was freaking amazing. But that's okay, I'm going to show you this month. So the first thing we got is a Beauty Bakery palette. This is Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Lighter Palette. This retails for $38. Now, I already have one put aside for a future giveaway, so I might actually keep this one and use it, because I really do like these colors, and I think that they're going to pair up very beautifully with my skin. You see right there. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it so we can see. Okay, so these are the colors. I think they're really nice. For me, I would say they're more of a blush than a highlight, but they're shiny, and I think they're pretty. When you do use these ones, be very careful to blend it out, and don't use a lot of contour under it, because if you're not careful, you might end up looking more like you have a bruise than perfectly, beautifully blushed, highlighted cheeks. So just be very, very careful on that. Okay, so this is full size. This is 3.4 fluid ounces of strip makeup whipped coconut makeup remover. That was a mouthful. Anyways, that is what it looks like. Nice box here. I am always good for some makeup remover, so of course I'm going to use that. I obviously love my makeup. This is what it looks like. Kind of looks mostly like coconut oil, and coconut oil is really good for loosening up your makeup, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to like this. Okay, so this is a highlight stick. It's called In Melly. I'm not sure. This is by $19.99. This is $34. I'm gonna use this because I like to use cream products in the summertime. I actually kind of like to use them in the winter time too, because it kind of makes your skin look dewy and fresh when everything's dull. So, but regardless, I like to use cream products and switch back and forth between powder and cream. So yeah, I should also say that I like cream products more for travel than I do powder products, because powder products tend to break and get everywhere. The cream does not break, it's cream. I still have to use powder eyeshadow because cream does not wear well on my eyes, but I can for the rest of my face. So let's swatch this and see. This is really pretty. This is kind of like a peachy blush color. It's more peach, I would say, but I think that's really pretty. Okay, so this is a sample size at 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces. The full size is 2.02 ounces. The full size retails for $89, so this is still a pretty good size. I can't pronounce the name of this company, but it is First Care Activating Serum. This is going to go in my travel products because that makes sense. But this is what it looks like. That is cute. Alright, this next thing is also a sample size. Sample size is 20 milliliter. The full size is 8.1. This is Nature Lab Tokyo Clean Clarifying Scalp Scrub. And again, this is good for travels, and that's exactly what I'm going to use this for. Alright, the next thing we got is a face mask from the Sweet Chef. This is Ginger Vitamin C Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask. And this guy retails for $3.99. I've used masks from Sweet Chef before. They are beautiful and wonderful, so I'm definitely going to be using this. I have not used the ginger one. I'm not sure how the ginger is going to do, but anyways, I'm still going to use it. The last thing in this is a sample of YSL perfume. This is Libre. The full size costs $155, and that's 3 ounces. This is 5 milliliter. There it is. Tiny little guy here. And I don't have any perfume on, so I'm going to spray it. Okay, that smells really good. Really good. I would definitely get this. It has a nice, clean, fresh scent, and I like a nice, clean, fresh scent. Alright, we are moving on to Eyescream Beauty. This is, they focus heavily on independent beauty brands, which I love. First thing we're pulling out is a palette, and this retails for $30. It's super cute. This is End of the Rainbow palette by Ladybug Glow and Eyescream Beauty. Okay, so let's see what the colors look like. This is really cute. It's not super unique to my collection. I kind of want to keep it because I love the packaging. But I think I'm going to pass this along and put it into a future giveaway. I think it's so cute. I love that purple and the blue, and so nice. Okay, so the next thing we got is Gold Opal Iridescent Highlighter by Byou Beauty, and this retails for $35. Now I do like a nice highlight. Let's see how light this is, because if it's not super light, then I can't wear it because the skin is fair. Sometimes they send me a gold I can use. Yeah, I can use this. Look at that. That is really cute. I'm gonna put some on my hand so we can see what it looks like on skin. Okay, so I didn't rub it in completely because I want you guys to see it. But look at that. Look how beautiful that gold is. And look how well it goes with my pale skin. Okay, so we've got a redness correcting primer by ZC Cosmetics, which retails for $22. This is sealed. I am going to use this because my skin gets really red sometimes. At summer months it tends to be a little worse, if I'm being honest. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the heat or what. Okay, so this is what the tube of that looks like. It's nice and black and sleek. I am not opening it up yet because I'm not ready to use it. Like I said, I'm probably going to use it more in the summer months when it's hot and my face is redder, and yeah. Alright, so the next thing we got here is Unit Blusher by Ofra Cosmetics. This retails for $29. That is what it looks like. This is not a product for me. This is not something I'm going to use or get much use out of. I can see how it could work. You can do your blush and bronzer at the same time and blend it out together, and it could be really nice. But it's not something I'm going to use, so I am going to put that into a future giveaway. Okay, the last thing we got in here is Bliss Velvet Dream Stick by Steina Face, and this retails for $12. This is a densely pigmented lipstick formula. That's what it says. So let's see what this lip color looks like. It says it's in shade Bliss. Okay, so I do like this packaging. This tube right here. I think that's a nice slick look for a lipstick, so I like that. This is a nice shade. let's go ahead and swatch that and see what it looks like on the skin. This is a really beautiful shade. It's kind of a reddish brown, not quite a brick color, but close to it. This is super creamy, so I do like the fact that it's creamy. I don't like drying things on my lips very much. We are moving on to the last box, which is Ipsy. Alright, so the first thing we got is Ace Beauty Maximum Impact Liquid Eyeshadow. I did pick this because, again, I was thinking this might be a good summer month kind of thing. Even though liquid stuff and eyeshadow and all this stuff doesn't necessarily do the best, doesn't necessarily perform the best on me, but I thought this might work. We're going to give it a try. We're going to swatch it. I am in love with this. I really hope it wears well on my eyes. Yeah, I really hope this wears well on my eyes because, like I said, these products usually don't, but like, that is so beautiful. Alright, the next thing we got is Phto Resurfacing Night Serum from Earth Harbor and Luna Rain. This brand in general is a really good brand. So at some point I'm going to try it. Let's see what the bottle looks like. Okay, so this has seaweed collagen and grapefruit acids in it. I still got glitter on my hand. It's a nice glass bottle, which glass bottles is usually preferred when it comes to oils and stuff. It just really helps preserve the active ingredients in it. The next thing we got is Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask from Mudmush. I think that's how you say it. But I have used this brand's products multiple times and I've always had wonderful results, so definitely going to be using that mask. Next we got Songe Vitality Nourishing Face Oil. So I'm obviously really into skincare. I do believe before you really get into makeup, you should work on your canvas, which is your face, and really address your skincare issues before you go into trying to hide it. A lot of times you can reduce the appearance of a lot of the things you don't like through good skincare, and then you won't have to wear as much makeup hiding anything because your skin will just be better. So anyways, this is what the bottle looks like. So here's the bottle. It is glass. This is a nice, pretty bottle here. Alright, the last thing in this box is a palette from Allure Beauty. This is Trailblazer. Let's see what the colors are. Okay, this is pretty standard for their packaging. This is kind of what most of their palettes look like. This is really pretty. Not super unique to my collection, but like, I like this color story and I think I'm going to keep it. So I'm going to swatch this so we can see what this looks like on the skin. These are the colors swatched. I think they're really nice. I feel like you can do a lot with the mixture of colors and the mattes and the shine. It's just really, really pretty. I'm actually kind of excited to use this palette. But anyways, that is it of my March beauty boxes. I hope you enjoyed these. Please let me know what you think of them down below. What kind of things would you like me to try? I have not done a tutorial in a while, so if there is something you would like me to use that you know I'm keeping, please let me know down below if you'd like a tutorial with it. Anyways, that is it of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe.